How to active Microsoft Office without key. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your File Explorer. In here, click on Local Disk, which is C. After you click on Local Disk, in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Program Files in here. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Office 16 at the top. Now in here you'll find something like OSPREARM. Right click on it and you'll find Add as Administrator or Run as Administrator. Simply click on it and your Microsoft Office will be activated without key. There is no option available for me because I have already activated it. This is how to activate Microsoft Office without key. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.